Good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday, November 12th, 2024. Welcome to the live stream. Um, I haven't streamed in a couple of days. Last week was a little bit wild, so after the election, I kind of took a couple of days off from trading. So now I'm getting back
Order
in the
filled.
saddle. So right now, we just think I'm gonna go. Market is open. Looks like a breakout's happening at the moment here on the NQ. Let's look at the. Let's look at this so I can get more. Yeah, we're at resistance level. Now we trying to break up to the upside here. Definitely, some buyers are coming in. Definitely not gonna chase this, but it looks like it's going higher here. So maybe with a pullback, we might engage here, but not with. If we could have pulled back here into this band, which was resistance, now it's going to serve as support potentially. We might get engaged, but if you've been following the markets, it's definitely been a bullish environment. Even though looks like yesterday, which was a holiday, I didn't trade, but it looks like this was. Let me check something real quick here.
Stop fill.
Okay. Yeah, right here, right now, could be a place to go long, but the selling off really hard too. Um, and the ES things are kind of ranging. The last 15 minutes, we'll be having a range here, like a four point range. Yeah, this could be another place to engage here now. NQ,
Order filled.
here you go. I think going long here. Let's like let me put this over here. We're above the VWAP. So hopefully here we see a push to the upside. If not, um, we might get taken out here. But really, the stop, the technical stop, really should be a couple points below here, below this swing. So I'm gonna give it the room that it needs because I am automatically setting it up. So sometimes the ATM doesn't know where exactly the proper stop should be. I just have it as a default. That then I can go and adjust it. But let's see if we can go higher here. All right, let's see. Let's wait and see what happens.
Stop filled.
All right, got stopped out. Here. Looks like we he wants to go lower from this resistance zone. Because what happened is he went hit it. Let's see. You broke it. Came back to it, thinking here it was gonna go back up. Went long. Now we got stopped out. So looks like this market want to sell off. It's 10. It's 10:03. So we're gonna wait and give it some time. If we're gonna go short, it would be on the pullback here. We need a little pullback to go short here. So sure it's gonna hit this VWAP. This could serve as support. So let's just wait and see what happens here. The trend is definitely down now at the moment. We're just waiting for a pullback and possibly entering short. This is a very shallow pullback for the NQ. So we definitely need something higher. Maybe in the another 10 points higher. We might be interested in a short. Or if you give us the U-turn here too, we might take it because yeah, that's we gotta wait for the U-turn down here. It's going toward the VWAP, which is 206, 207. So if it hits there and give us the U-turn, we might go short. But at the moment, it's definitely we're gonna treat this as a pullback of this leg down. A nice leg down here. Let's see. So a nice leg down here. So it hit this pivot. This was a previous pivot here, and it's going higher. Let's see. If we drop a fib here, it's at almost like the golden zone, which is a not. You could see if we could see a turnaround here, because this is like the golden zone here between these two levels. This was a support. This was a support. So this definitely could serve as resistance. The principle is past resistance will become support in the future most of the time, and vice versa. Past resistance will become support a lot of the times. But right now, can't go short yet. Or the trend has definitely shifted too, because once you take out that swing, that little swing that happened here, it's kind of anybody's game. So right now, everything is green. So, and when you trade the NQ, it's a very fast moving market, so things can change really fast, really quickly. So right now we're getting a scene background, meaning the bigger time frame are almost aligning to the upside. So at the moment, we might just want to wait for a pullback to go long instead of going short, because this zone here, if the pullback doesn't happen there, there's a great chance we're gonna continue higher. So let's see what happened. Again, he came back to that same zone. Was this resistance zone. If I go to this other chart, you're gonna see it's at that resistance zone here. Market is definitely in flux right now. Definitely favored the long at the moment, because we would probably need a pullback though, because it's kind of expensive. Yeah, it's a few bars down before we possibly engage higher. Like right now, if you see a push up here, we might engage long. Okay.
Order filled.
All right, we're going long. All right, win lose or draw on this trade here. We may just stop trading. It looks like this market is very indecisive here. With a win, um, we might continue, but if not, again, I just need a couple points below here, a couple ticks below the swing. So let's see if we're gonna go higher and get us 30 points. We're shooting for 30 points here on the NQ. Yeah, if we do get taken out here, I'll probably end the stream. I'm not seeing the market right here. Also, after a holiday, this market is basically technically still like a Monday. Because yesterday, because of the holiday, even the market was open. It wasn't the same kind of volume and activity that we normally get.
Stop filled.
All right, so got stopped out here. Again, we may see. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna stay on for a few more minutes. Um, but here we can see. Gonna see how this goes. If it's gonna go back all the way down, or is it was just that double pullback I usually talk about. You know, this market went up. Um, 'Cause usually I talk about a double pullback. The market goes up and it gives you this pullback here. Usually I go for three, after three three losing trades in a row, I'm out. But today I think two might be the number for me. Because again, we got a close to resistance here, but at the same time we had support. So because we have this VWAP as support, so it's gonna push one way or the other, and it's probably gonna do that. Sorry. It's gonna push one way or the other, as I was saying, and it's gonna be doing this without us because I think I'm done here. This market is 30 minutes. Yeah, we're like in that big resistance zone. So down move, we could get some here too. Again, we're seeing a big fight here between the buyers and sellers. Could have, you know, came basically came down here and because I enter right here, my stop was down here and came back and tagged me out. Now it looks like they may go higher again or lower, but definitely if I were to bet for the rest of the day here, it looks on the bigger picture we from the morning, from like the end of the opening session here. I mean, not the end of the opening session, but the middle of it, about 6 a.m. It went up. This could be a pullback from this leg and to go higher because in general the market is a bullish market. But
Order filled.
oh, it just went short here. Yeah, we'll do we'll do a three. Yeah, I had an order to go short right below this the VWAP here. So definitely this is my last trade, win, lose or draw. So we'll look at what we get here. It's a tight.
Stop filled.
All right, so basically 3 strikes you're out, and that's what I'm gonna be doing. So with that, I'm gonna end the stream. Kind of really tight area here. I went in, definitely not in sync with the market this morning. So that's what happens sometimes in trading. You're not gonna be in sync, and you gotta recognize that and go trade for another day. So right now it's really not clear what's gonna happen here. And we may see a push down here because again we had resistance, but I went short down here, came back and tagged me out. So let's see. Let's see what happened. I think you could see a push down right at any moment now. You know, the order flow is definitely getting bearish. So That's why, went short here, went up, tagged me out for maybe a couple points, and now it's turning around. So this is sometimes why trading definitely can be very, very frustrating if you let it, you can't take it personal. Just let it be. The market's gonna do what it's gonna do regardless of what you do. So all you can do is control what you can do, not so much what the market does, because you cannot control what the market does. You control what you do, whether it's the number of trades you're gonna take, the size you're gonna trade, and also when to stop trading. So like I'm doing now. So with that, I'm gonna end the stream. Hope everybody's having a good rest of their day, and we'll I'll, I'll be streaming again tomorrow, starting probably a little before 9:30. I started a little later today. Started maybe close to 10 o'clock. So this definitely was a very, very, very short stream. And again, not gonna stay around and see and trade back and forth. Like right now, we're in a back and forth market, so we'll just let it be and learn from today. Definitely took some higher risk trade because up there when I went long earlier, I believe. No, it was over here. When I went long after this break and come back, thinking it's gonna go higher here, I went long, got tagged out, and then I went short a couple times and got tagged out both times. So with that said, I'll see you guys later. Please like and share and subscribe to this channel. This is where I just, it's a channel I open up to just trade live and as I'm sharing my thought process as I'm trading, you may pick up a nugget or two, and we can share with each other some insights and just definitely um, like and subscribe and share to with your friends and fellow traders or aspiring traders. You don't even have to be a trader to watch this channel because if you're interested in trading and see how it's done in a live environment, not after the fact. Because after the fact, I can show you the market and go in the middle of the chart and show you everything that happened and why it happened. It's all good and dandy, but real trading happened on the right edge of the chart where you don't know what's going to happen. So, with that said, have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.